Hi guys. Today I will be explaining about how to create a project in 11 Labs. This process is really simple and easy, and also creating projects will make your work more easy. Means if you're not good in remembering, then this will help you a lot. When you will create a project, then save the project with client name, and then you can easily find the specific project. Next thing is go to the website. Now we are on the official website of 11 Labs. And take a look on the left side of my computer screen. Here you will see some options from these. This one is project. Click on it. Here you can also search for a specific project, but like we are trying to create our new projects. So that's why I need to click on this option, add a new project, enter the name of your project. Like I am writing after writing the name. This one is the accent. You can choose as you want for your. The benefit is when you will open project, you don't need to choose the accent again and again. I choose this character as a default. The name of this character is Rachel. This one is the recommended model. You don't need to choose it because it's recommended by the 11 Labs. Quality will be standard, download setting will be the same. It's an optional thing, so I don't need to change you. And also you can import your document if you want by typing on this upload. And here you can also import the URL. And the last thing is tap on the option Create a Project. And you can see the project has been created successfully. If you want to use 11 Labs yourself, click down the link in the subscription to help support our channel. And it was the way by which you can create projects in 11 Labs.